So in this instance, dem 1 is 15x squared, dem 2 is 24x. Now, I'm going to look at the factors of both of them. 15 is 3 times 5 and 2 x's. Sometimes you can write it out this way, and sometimes you'll have to go in, and some of you like to do trees. I don't do trees because I don't do well with trees. I trip over the branches quite frequently. So I know that it's an x, but 24 needs to be broken down. But it's 2 times 12, but 12 isn't prime. So I look at 24, and I would say, what are the prime factors of 24? Well, 24 is divisible by 2. That's 12. 12 is still even. That's 6. 6 is still even. That's 3. It's 3 2s and 1 3. Now that's 24. Now we're going to build the LCD. We're going to do that by dumping somebody into the pot. And that's just dump either denominator. Doesn't matter which one. Your book says just dump the first one in. And why we'll see the first one in there. That's him. Then we come over to 24 and we say, okay, if 24 is in there, it needs to have 3 2s. Do you see 3 2s? No, that means I need to put it in. Does it have 1 3? Yes. Does it have 1x? Yes. So there's your LCD. You notice that here's dem 1. And if I pull the 3, the x, and the 3 2s, that's dem 2. That is the smallest denominator that will work, and you want the smallest one. Because remember, in the end, what did we have to do with our pre-homework yesterday? You had to factor it down. And if it's too big, the factoring is going to be not nice, if not impossible. So this is 40 times 3. 40 times 3 is 120 x squared. So that's your LCD.
And so we're not doing anything but finding LCDs?
That's all we're doing. Today is LCD day. Doesn't do any good to try to add and subtract with unlike denominators if you can't find the common denominator. Okay, LCD. Denominator 1 is x plus 3. Denominator 2 is x squared minus 9. Well, x plus 3 is prime, but x squared minus 9 is who? Difference of squares. And so now we build the LCD. Dump one of the 2 in, x plus 3. So x plus 3 is part of it. These are all parentheses. Anytime you have additions and subtractions, it's a grouping. The LCD has an x plus 3 and the denominator 2 has an x minus 3, x plus 3. Do I already have an x plus 3? And I only need the x minus 3. That's the smallest that will work. So dem 1, and then if I pick up this guy here, dem 2, and then you see them both in that one denominator. You're going to find that the numbers are going to be a pain in the rear. It's the letters. The variables are going to be easy. It's kind of like factoring out the greatest common factor. Factoring out the greatest common factor, the numbers were not fun. Variables were okay. Numbers were fun. Okay, here we go.
So do you leave it like that?
Yep, because we're only doing the LCD. So we're okay. Because of the word and, I don't know whether I'm adding or subtracting. Okay. So dem 1 is x squared minus 25. Dem 2 is x squared minus 10x plus 25. And now I have to factor. This is the difference of squares. X minus 5x plus 5. This factors. This is x minus 5 times x minus 5. Isn't it nice how the factors are nice things? right? Dump somebody into the pot. Right? Now, I take a look at, dem 1 is now in there. Dem 2 needs an x minus 5 and an x minus 5. What do I notice? It already has an x minus 5. What do I need? Another one. Oh, sure. Thank you. So, can I see both in there? Yep. There's dem 2. And there's dem 1. Okay, so here we go. Denominator 1 is y squared minus 9. Denominator 2 is y squared plus 6y plus 9. And then denominator 3 is 2y squared plus 5y minus 3. So now I start factoring. Difference of squares, y minus 3, y plus 3. Y plus 3, y plus 3. And now we hope for the best. I know this is a 2y and a y. Need a 5 in the middle, so this is 3, so I get a 6 and a 1. I need a plus 6 minus. So now you dump somebody into the pool, so I'll put dem 1 in. So dem 1's in there. Now I need 3 colors instead of just 2. Color you. You're not a good color. Here's my green. So we can go Christmas. Then dem 2 is 2y plus 3's. Well, I notice I've got ay plus 3 already, right? So what do I need? A second y plus 3. So now that's dem 2. Dem 3 needs a y plus 3. Oh, we got more than enough y plus 3's. But it also needs a 2y minus 1. Now, see, this is why we don't want to add or subtract these problems. And so you notice this is the LCD. Y minus 3, y plus 3, y plus 3, 2y minus 1. You notice that this guy is dem 3. This guy is dem 2. Notice the overlap? Dem 1.